Hello everybody, my name is Kelly Jackson. I'm with True Artistry, and today we are going to learn the very first sew-in that I ever learned how to do, which is the foundation to all installs, and it is the traditional sew-in. We have so many tools that we need to use to be able to achieve this, so I'm going to actually show you a couple of the things that we need in order to achieve this install. So we need some type of spritz or some type of aerosol. This is going to give the hair traction. So when you're sewing, especially when we get into the perimeter braid, it makes the perimeter braid stronger and it gives it more stability for the foundation of the sew-in. So definitely need a spritz or a hairspray. We need our rat tail comb so we can get clean, crisp partings throughout the install or the braid down, as well as we're going to use the end of the rat tail for a little trick I'll show you guys later. All-purpose comb, just to be able to comb through the hair before we start parting, and just to be able to make sure that we get all the little small pieces that are close to the scalp, comb those out completely so we can get a neat install. We need clips, so some duckbill clips, just clip those on so they're easy access. You want to be able to, especially when you're braiding, and if you're worried about the speed as well, you want to make sure that you have all your things by you so you can get through the process a lot faster. Then we need the synthetic hair. So synthetic hair is always used as foundation support with any type of install. Definitely the perimeter braid, but for some of your clients, if their hair is more fine, then you would definitely use this all over. I usually use it just around the perimeter, and again, the rest of the hair if the hair is not as strong or stable for the install. So now we're gonna get into the actual install. I spoke with Whitney, that's her name, Whitney, and Whitney would like a traditional sew-in. Her traditional sew-in, she would like her part to be on the side. So generally with traditional sew-ins, you can do two things. You can do a sew-in where you leave the whole perimeter out. That's if a client wants to be able to wear their hair up in a ponytail. That is generally only used if a client hair is thick enough around the perimeter to be able to pull that off without showing tracks. The other way you can do the traditional sew-in is definitely always leaving your natural part out. You can leave a little bit of your sides out and then braid everything else up. So in this demo, I'm gonna actually do one side as if the client will be able to pull her hair up in a ponytail, and then I'll do the other side as if the client does not want to deal with any left out hair at all. So just kind of depends on your client. Some people like to work out and they really don't want to deal with the blending process, and then some people don't care and just really want it to look more natural. So we're gonna show you the braiding. The braiding pattern is the same. It's just one side we're gonna leave some hair out, the other side we're not gonna leave hair out. So we're gonna go straight into the braiding process.